Summer Quickie je spet klele, tokrat smo v Portorožu, pa da vidimo, kaj so kaj na obali ljudje že in kaj niso. Kako se zoveš?
Ivan. My name is Oscar.
Yeah.
My name is Victor.
Victor. Oskar pa Viktor.
Kan je luk, bud luk.
Kan
je luk, bud luk.
Iz kje si, Grega?
USA.
USA. Reci kad dostanem.
Dobro. Dosta.
Na zdravje.
Na zdravje.
I sad moraš opet na X, valjda znaš. Pijem na X.
I'm not okay now. Oh my god.
Nisem Janez iz Krškega. Nikad nisem napravila nešto glupo pijana.
We have done so many stupid things.
Yeah, I mean, I've like vomited into my fist. I've done every stupid thing you could think.
I've got some tattoos.
Where?
14 tattoos.
Why did you get 14 tattoos?
It's because of Real Madrid won the Champions League 14 times.
Oh.
Good drunk, not stupid drunk.
You good drunk?
Yeah.
Me? Stupid drunk.
Okay.
Nikad nisem krala.
Yeah, of course, shoplifting.
Oh, yeah. Shoplifting, why not?
Če govorim Lise, kaj je bolj mehkega, kaj ne.
No.
Oh, don't stop with the don't you speak foreign language to me. Never have I ever cried for my ex.
Tim,
Yeah. Zakaj pa ne veš, da pravi moški tudi jokajo drugače?
Sigma mate.
Never have I ever smoken weed.
Ne znam koliko možemo da kažemo o tome.
Pa kod nas je legalno.
Da, onda kod vas.
Oh, Tim.
Yeah?
Tim, look at me.
So where do you buy it from in Slovenia now?
Nisa.
Nisi, never. A znaš da u stvari nije legalno tu, samo se...
To nije imalo smisla uopšte.
Znači ideš u zatvor sad.
Thai girl very good is not smoking.
What about Thai good men?
Thai good man also some a little bit.
Oh, they a little bit.
A little bit.
But you not a little
No, I'm ne.
bit. Nikad se nisam tukla. Ne,
Ne.
ne tučete se.
Ne.
Da, u srednjoj školi stalno išao sam ono skroz mušku školu.
Da.
To je bilo stalno glupost, lomljenje prozora, krađe kompjutera iz učionice, to je stvarno bio haos.
Znači voliš da se tučeš?
Not anymore.
Not anymore. How old are you now?
29.
29. That's when life already beats you enough. You don't need to fight anyone else, right? Never have I ever done điđi-miđi in a public place.
What is điđi-miđi?
You know what điđi-miđi is?
What?
Điđi-miđi.
Điđi-miđi.
Điđi-miđi. So
Điđi-miđi.
you put your lips like that, điđi-miđi.
Oh, chimi. Oh, okay, understand. Ne.
What is it? Like fucking?
What did you think điđi-miđi?
Like masturbating in a public place.
You don't do điđi-miđi.
No.
You don't like điđi-miđi.
No. Sometimes a little bit, but not.
You get quickie for lost virginity at 13 grand.
Deal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sigma Summit. Janez.
To.
You get a quickie for kar ena modela z Danske.
What's that?
It means most beautiful guys from Denmark.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you either.
Okay.
That's fair enough, right? Skandelup, you're getting a quickie for good Thai person.
Okay. Thailand is not hard. I can thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For today. Thank
Thank you.
for good time.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's do it
It's
again.
okay, yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, thank you. Bye. I like Skandelup.
Quickie, 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 quickie. Z Davidom